Welcome to my channel. I'm Lone, a super seller. So chances are, since you're watching this video right now, you work in sales or retail and you want to learn quick, easy tips to sell more. As you may know, I love working in retail and sales, and a year ago I started my research. Well, my boyfriend started the research and he found this amazing book and TV show with the same name, Sell It Like Serhant, written by Ryan Serhant, the guy from $1 Million Listing, New York. But I was like, well, I don't need that. I don't work in real estate. Until it hit me, I can use this in my job. It blew my mind. Hey Ryan, if you're watching, send me a DM. In his book and on his YouTube channel, he preaches about the 3 F's.
Follow-up is a really big thing for me, and I have 3 versions. I call them my 3 F's. Follow up, follow through, follow back.
So, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post content. And let's go!
The first F is follow up. This is the process where you seek new clients, where you get new customers to your store and to your business. Ryan says you should go to events and go to coffee shops and talk to the people in line in front of you or behind you to get networking. I say you should use this amazing platform where you can post unlimited amount of offers and deals and news for your customers without paying anything. You pay 0. And this platform is so hidden in this world. So I'm only gonna tell it to you. Don't tell anyone else. It's called Facebook. Facebook is an amazing platform and it will allow you to post what you want. If you create groups, if you create sites, you can post what you want and share with your customers. We are 7.7 billion humans on this planet, and 2.4 billion of those use Facebook. That's a lot of people that can see your site, that can find your store. Specifically, if you're an online store, think how much traffic that is for your store and your brand. If you are a physical store like I work in, Facebook still reaches a lot more people than what I myself as a store manager can meet outside on the street if I stand there for 8 hours. Use every single social media platform you have or find, and you will expand your customer base enormously. Comment down below, what kind of struggles do you have in your day job? Do you not really connect with the customers? Or do you find yourself never getting the sales that you really want or the higher sales that you really want?
The second F is the follow through, which is guiding them through the process of buying from you. Serhant explains it as hot, warm, and cold clients. And this is how I'm gonna break it down in the retail perspective. Hot customers want to buy from you. They know your products and they know what they want. All they need is a little nudging, a little cross-selling, and you're there. Warm customers, on the other hand, need a little bit more work when it comes to getting them to buy from you. They sort of maybe kind of want to buy, but they're not really sure. That's why you really need to work a little bit more here. You need to show a lot of more products and talk about the benefits of getting that one instead of this one. It's a little bit more work, but you get there. You can get to the finish line. You can get to the cash register quite easily. Last but not least, at least not least, work, the cold customers. They need a lot of work. Here, you really have to work. You really have to show who you are, who the brand is, how you work, what's your service, what are your products. You really need to sell it into them, then this is what they want and need. And sometimes this is where you don't really get the sale at that point, but this is the place where you show great customer service, because they may not leave with a product today, but they will remember the service you gave them and come back later or refer to someone they know and say, oh, I really got great customer service there. The follow through is basically the sales cycle. It is where you get them to come in, you welcome them, you show products, you sell, you get the transaction, you say goodbye. The third F is getting your customers to come back. And the way to get them to come back is through amazing customer service, amazing customer satisfaction, and also their satisfaction with the product or service that you provide. And a way to do that is to keep in touch with them. A great way is to make them a loyalty member, where you get their information, as in you get their number, you get their email, so you can send out texts every time there's a quick offer, like today we have 25% off the whole store, or email lists, where you can send out an email every single day, if that's what works for your business. Every single day you can send out emails about new arrivals, new collections, new offers, daily offers, weekly offers. This is a way for you to keep building trust and care for them. You keep sending them out info about your store. And you know, sometimes a lot of people keep deleting their emails. If they're like a loyalty member and then you delete your email because you're like, oh, I don't care, I'm not going to get anything now. Okay, that's fine. And I'm guilty for doing that to other companies. But every single time I open up my email and there's an email from them, I see their name. I see the name of the brand, which triggers my brain to remember that store instead of not giving me that email or giving me that reminder that, hey, we're here, hi, we exist, woo! You know? So get that email list, get people to join and become a loyalty member so you can keep contact with them. That's the best way to follow back. Also, me. Like I said, social media is the best thing you can do. And there's so many people of us using social media, different type of platforms, so just start with one. Start with one platform that will be easy for you to use on a daily basis to keep in touch with your customers through Facebook stories, Instagram posts, Twitters. Like, choose what works for you and your brand and your store. I find utilizing Facebook as the great platform it is really helps my store and my business. Every time we post regularly, if you post 2 times a day, people are more likely to remember us and come by us the next couple of days. If we stop using it, we see a decrease in the amount of customers that come into our store. So really consider using social media in some shape or form. Start using Serhants 3Fs today. It will help you and your team and your whole business grow bigger, better, faster, stronger. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Hit the notification bell so you get notified. See you next week. Bye!